Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you that how you can open this door if by mistakes it's locked and you don't have key to turn open it. But yeah, this is the, let's say, difficult time and you cannot open the door. So this is the card that I'm gonna use it. This is the rechargeable card. It's very thin, as you see. What you do, just bend it a little bit like this, and exactly, if you have a plastic like this thick piece of plastic, that is hard to bend a little bit, and you can try it in other plastic. But I am using this rechargeable card, and or you have a expire yeah, credit card, you can use that too. What you could do, exactly the right this place, just push it, maybe it's gonna be a little bit time, just push it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, as you see, it's done. So yeah, it takes a little while, but it's not impossible. Once again, so as you see, close it and see it's locked, and take it this card, little bit bend this side or that side, whatever it works, and just right there, and push it, and a little bit here down from that. Okay, a little bit push it more. Okay, push it inside. Okay, so as you see, voila. So this is the method that you can use and open your door. If you don't have key, by mistakes you close it from the other side and you don't have any key to open it, and you can use this credit card or rechargeable card or plastic. You can use it exactly. You have to use part here. You have to push it right there, that you can open the door. So okay guys, thank you for watching with another video. See you soon. Bye bye.